Oh. Oh, hey. Hey, remember a couple weeks ago when I said something about starting a new chapter in my life and how I was going to tell you about it later? Well, no time like the present. So, remember when I said something about entering a new chapter? Well, here we are. This is my new toy. Ain't he cute? That is a 2014 F-150 4x4 topped with a 2004 four-wheel camper. Granby edition. And we're gonna pop it up and see what's what. All right, here we are, back door. Okay, here's your very abridged version of the inside when the top is down. I'm going to attempt to put the top up for the first time. One end up. This is a speaker stand. My upper body strength has gone to shit. Since I lost weight, I need to get to the gym. So I bought this to help me raise the roof, which it did, but it still took a lot of work. I got nothing, man. I'm noodle arms. So give me a second and I'll show you around. And that's what she looks like when she's popped up. I seriously need to get some of those thingies for the outside to help raise it. Lift bar things. Because my little weenie muscles are sad. But anyway, up there in the front over the cab is where the bed is. I'll take y'all in and show you in a minute. I gotta catch my breath. Okay, here's the view from the outside. Let's go in. Okay, easy peasy to stand up in here. Chris can stand up in here, and Chris is 6'3", so there's plenty of head space. I got a little fan, which is not running right now because my batteries are dead. A little window there that opens out. Number 2 window. Number 3 window. Bed, which pulls out, but I can't pull it out right now. Number 4 window. Number 5 window. So, now keep in mind, I haven't done anything in here yet. So, underneath this little square right here is a potty. It is not a potty I'm going to keep because it is gross. It is old as hell. It came with the camper and ew. Yeah. So we'll be replacing that or just taking it out altogether. I don't know. And then up here we have our battery stuff and our solar stuff that comes in from outside. That's a map that came with the camper, which means nothing to me, but there it is. And then we have a little mirror so we can see ourselves. Hello, self. And then we've got some more storage over here. Yeah, like I said, just keep in mind, I haven't done anything in here yet. And then there's storage here. And that's a water tank. And we have our little couchy couch. And there's some storage back there, which is where I have my speaker stand right now, which helped me get the top of this up, but not enough. I'm a wimp. Oh wait, we have another window here, which can open. That is sort of between, you know, the back of the truck, the front of the camper. I haven't opened it yet. Not sure how that works. We'll figure it out later. We got some storage here. There's some little homemade storage up there. If I take those 2 storage containers down, then I can move the bed out. More storage. All of this stuff actually came with this camper. Dude just sold me everything. That's a refrigerator, which is not on at the moment, but fridge. It could be a fridge or a freezer from what I understand. We have storage here. We have storage, more pots and pans and things of that nature. And then there's a storage drawer down there. This is just a little storage thing that dude put in here. We have all this lovely stuff. And all of these do latch shut so they don't fly open when you're driving, which is nice. More storage. And yeah, this here, this was a built-in sink, but the guy I bought it from, took that out and put in this little removable collapsible sink thing, which is great, but I don't plan to use this cooktop, which is, you know, from the original camper build. I plan just to get a little Coleman stove with the propane, you know, the little green propane things, and use that. So this whole section right here may well come out. I may build something to put in there. I don't know. I haven't really decided because this is literally all new. If I do decide to keep some of this, there could be some painting on the fronts of things, maybe. I don't know. Haven't decided. But there is a nice breeze in here. And the cool thing about these windows is they shut just via Velcro. So you got shut windows, and then you got your nighttime windows, which is pretty keen. Now, they do make a thermal liner for this camper. Unfortunately, it costs about $1,300. So I'm thinking about getting some Reflectix and just making some that I can put up and take down at will. Not because I'm cheap, just because I'm broke. Oh, and we have more storage, which is amusing here. And then we have these little storage drawers, which could use a little cosmetic cleaning help. But you know, all in all, I kind of got this as a project, as well as something I've just been really interested in for a while. These panels, you push them up to put the roof up, and you pull them down to put the roof down. Yeah, and so here's this is the bed not pulled out. It's like a twin bed. It pulls out to twice that big because it pulls these rails, pulls all the way out to here, so you can have a pretty big bed. It's just that stuff's in the way. There's a little toaster oven that came with, and there's actually a little induction burner that he gave me, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's just, I just really don't see me using this at all, ever. I would rather cook outside or just have the little propane 2-burner stove instead of the built-in. I'm just not fond of that. So, you know, we'll see where this all goes. It's pretty exciting stuff. You know, this bottom part is over the wheel well on both sides. Oh, and there's storage also under the couch cushion. There's my batteries, which I would like to get lithium-ion batteries, but they are expensive. And then here's some more storage with some actual stored stuff in it. And just a plug in there if I'm ever plugged into shore power, which, yeah, could happen, I guess. So yeah, this is my new project. I have to learn how to do all kinds of stuff, you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. Also, a little intimidated after I had to struggle as hard as I did to get this thing popped up, which was, to say, not minimal. So anyway, there we go. Lovely outside. And yeah. So yeah, there we go. This is quite an undertaking for your girl here. I'm gonna be exercising some muscles as well as these muscles that I have never used before much at all. I'm excited about it and also a little intimidated. But that's okay. It's good to be uncomfortable sometimes, and you know, if I make a mistake, I'll fix it. So what do you think about my new chapter? Pretty exciting. So yeah, there we go, and I'll see y'all later. Oh, and the truck itself. It's a Ford 150 4x4 2014. Nice truck, no visible rust, been very well taken care of. Came out of Canada. The guy that I bought it from Canada. I bought it from a guy in Massachusetts. We just got the plates for it the other day. Haven't got them on yet. It's a really nice rig. We've got solar on the hood. There's also solar on the top of the camper, which I can't show you because I'm not 10 feet tall. So, yeah, I don't think we're locked here. Let's see. I know we're not locked. I was just in a while ago. So, yeah, here we are inside. This does have a kilometers per hour speedometer, but this little thing right here is a digital miles per hour. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing fancy on the inside, but I've been driving trucks all my life, so, you know, it's all right. It's cool. And then it's just a single cab, which is kind of unfortunate, but hey, you know, we start with what we start with. There's a bunch of stuff back there. I don't know what it is, but anyway, here we go. Truckee McTruckerson. I need to name this rig. My friend Tracy had an idea, but I want to think about it some more. So there we go. There we go. Ta-da. Cool, huh?
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.